Well, hello. We're here at the Nurburgring again. We're here to do my second wet race. Yep. A few different things here. I'm trying some different things with the microphone, so hopefully you can hear me well. I think you can. Yeah, looks like the levels are good. We're going to try and have a good race. Okay, decent strength of field for my level of skill, so that's great. Yeah. Let's try to avoid some carnage. I'm starting all the way back in P21, so this should be good. We've got 93 frames right here on the starting grid. We're doing great.
Car number 79.
We're going to try and tell you some dad jokes too. We'll see. It's, you know, it takes a lot of focus and concentration to get around here, so we'll see how I do. I may have to save the jokes for the straightaway. But whatever, we'll see. Actually, I'll hit you with your first one right now. I recently joined a nudist colony. It's not so bad now. You get used to it, honestly. The first day was really hard, though. Yeah, try telling that around your girlfriend or wife. Or both. Just kidding. I might. Okay, let's see what happens here. Let the carnage begin. I'm just gonna kind of hang back and let all the shenanigans kind of happen in front of me.
Go, go.
Hey, I'm here, buddy. All right, there's bound to be something here. No? I can't see a thing. Oh!
That's all right. Let's build on it.
Sucker. I'm just kidding. I'm really sorry. If you watch my video, I apologize. I hate when that happens. I feel bad for you. Truly, I do. Oh, there's one facing the wrong way. Okay. Got through the first little section there. I really need to learn the corners. Need to be able to slow down because there's definitely going to be someone. Yep, there's a Ferrari.
Left side.
Don't squeeze me there, buddy.
Clear left.
Don't ruin my race because, you know. Oh, there we go. A lot of people.
Sorry.
Stay off, stay off, stay off. Oh, that was close.
Sorry.
He's sorry. Oh my goodness. Ah! Now we're going up the hill.
The gap behind's increased to 1.4.
Alright, thank you for not rejoining. Oh my goodness. My heart rate. What am I up to, like P18 or P20? I can't see anything.
Hey, I'm gonna be a soda.
Okay, there's a freebie. Alright. David's definitely holding me up.
Sorry.
I just can't see. I'm... Okay. Now I'm clear of David. So anyway, I was saying I was going up the hill. It reminds me of elevators. I'm not a fan of elevator music, by the way. It's bad on so many levels. Oh, shoot. Okay, I was like so gentle. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm offline. No, I'm good now. I have to stay a little wider than normal. Only a slight lift. I really don't need to lift there, but...
Rodriguez is now in the lead. The gap ahead is now 3.7 seconds.
Alright. There's a big gap after these guys here. I picked up a little bit of time. I did have a chance to practice last night, and the practice session was heavier rain than my first race, and that practice session was more like the rain in this session. So that's good. Stay off. Thank you for behaving. I like that paint scheme, by the way. I like it when the car kind of has that cool glow. Not that you care. I'm offline. Which, you know, might not be that bad. There's no reason to be in second up through here, I don't think.
The guy behind's catching. The gap's now 2.3 seconds.
I don't care about the guy behind. Now I know I was driving like a old lady for my first race, but you know what? I finished. And I intend to finish this one too. So I'm driving a bit more aggressive. I hope it looks like I'm driving more aggressive. It feels like I'm driving more aggressive. Yeah, the first race I was able to go flat out through there pretty much, I think. .9 to the guy ahead. 2.6. Alright, where's that puddle? There it is. Alright, that was a really good exit. At least I think it was. I guess it's about as good as the guys in front of me. So, cool. By the way, how do you like the overlays? I'm using iOverlay. I usually have them kind of off to the side because I was kind of working on some things. Yeah. Anyway, did you know that a history degree is useless? There's just no future in it. Hey, there's one. Oh my god. Every time I go to work, I hide. Good employees are hard to find. Yeah, I was way too slow through there. Excuse me. Brake early,
Yeah,
brake early.
2 to go.
Oh, good. Maybe he'll block those other guys. I mean, sorry that that happened. Really. I just hate... Oh, this guy kind of went off. Where am I? P8? Up from 21. Yeah, I'll take that. Easy does it, Richard. That was for you, Craig. Yeah, I went a little too deep there before I hit the brakes, but I collected myself pretty good. Yeah, there's no shot at me getting into like the top 5 or anything, which is expected, or sorry. It's expected that I wouldn't get up to the top 5. I mean, anything's, I guess, possible.
The car behind is reeling you in. The
in
gap
the
is
rain.
now 1.0.
Yeah, okay.
Stewards have warned us about track limits.
Yeah, I don't care about the limits. Oh, I had a nice line through there too. It's a shame I got on the power just a little too early. Yeah, it's definitely coming down more now. Little short shift. Okay, that was a bit better.
The gap in front is now 2.1.
Yeah, guys, I'm sorry. I can't give you any dad jokes now. My goodness. Oh, he's sliding. Nice save, man. Yeah, he was like sideways through that whole triple right-hander there. It's challenging because as you get closer to someone, the spray just like impales you. Yeah, see, I got out of it there just to save myself. That's kind of annoying. Oh. Oh my goodness. I see sprays up ahead, so maybe we're gaining a little bit? No, not really. Oh my goodness, my heart rate. It's a lot of fun though, I must say. This is pretty epic. Make any time on him? Nope.
The car behind is catching. The gap's now 1.2.
Hey now. Well, there goes that. It happens.
The next car is Reno.
Is the car okay? Alright, good. The car's in good shape. I didn't damage it. I just went in too hot to the carousel. Yeah, the track state is worse than before. Goodness, how many more laps do I have? Is this the last one? Or do I have one more after this? That was pretty terrible. Shoot. I'm offline. Ooh, that puddle, I don't remember that puddle being that thick that time.
Rainer ahead is now 7.6 seconds.
Oh my goodness, my hands. Alright, at least I can see that car now. You know, I don't trust people who do acupuncture. They're backstabbers. Okay. 3.2 to Maziadas Alundaconis. Alright. What else? Oh, do you know my wife thinks I'm sexy? Every time I walk by her, she says, "What an ass."
7:35.7.
You know what else my wife says? She says quilts are better than duvets. I said to her, you know, you better be careful making blanket statements like that. I like that's a good one. Oh shoot.
One more to go. That's half distance. Fuel levels are fine.
P9, baby! P9! Ha-ha! Oh, maybe not. Oh yeah, I think so. Alright, the little kerfuffle up ahead. Laser focus, Rich. Laser focus. Right, that time I didn't go in as deep. Holy cow. Wow, my optimal is 7:45. That's a massive improvement from my grandma time. Like 8:02 for my last race. It's see, like I said, I'm gonna have a little bit of a challenge once I get close to these two peoples. Patience, patience. That was definitely more patient. More patience? More patient. Goodness. You can't tell if it's like one car or two cars at a time. I mean, I know it's two cars, but still. Oh, shoot. That was more better. That's a word, by the way. Or a phrase. I don't know. Oh, I almost lost the rear. You heard that, right? I felt it. Oh, he almost had a moment. Stay off the curb, Rich. I love that Tron Legacy looking car. I took a slightly different line through there and I lost a lot of time, but I'm still alive. And that's half the battle. You know, even though I had my moments, I'm still alive in the top 10 out of like 22.
The gap in front is now 1.0 seconds. Tay is now leading.
Otay. That was corny, I know. Alright, what else do I got for you? Oh. I hired a handyman, and when I came home... Oh, sorry, I hired a handyman, and I gave him a to-do list. When I got home, he only did numbers 1, 3, and 5. Turns out he only does odd jobs. I should have been more specific. That was pretty bad. Well, my split time information says that it wasn't. Okay, so just a breathe. I would normally downshift to third in the rain. Don't die, Rich. Please don't die. You're doing... Yeah. You're doing rather well. Yeah, that's what happens when you get greedy. Okay, remember. Brake early, go down to second early. Yeah, I still didn't slow down the car enough. Shoot! Yeah, it's really coming down now. Shoot! A lot of water. Oh my goodness, my hands. Almost lost it. I lost a lot of that time that I made up. Yeah, oh well. That's a shame because I
Front is increasing. It's now 2.7.
was really gaining on these guys. Alright, what else do I have for you? You know, at one point, I dated a Swiss girl back in the day. I broke up with her when we got to her hometown, though. Way too many red flags. Rain is going to get heavier. Great. Alright, yeah, there's no... Okay, that's fine. Car just really was just like didn't want to turn. There's no sense in trying to push. Oh,
Eighth place. There's the finish.
Oh!
Drive.
8th place. Okay. That was fun, guys. Madzi Das. I like your livery, by the way. Looks really good. All right. No sense in doing a cooldown lap. Let's see how we did here. Yep, we're gonna save that. That's really cool. I know you can't see it. Yeah, that right there. Okay, so let's see. So from P21 up to 8th place, I was able to do a 7:39:260. Okay. All right. Not that far off of the leaders. Faster than these two in front of me, so that's pretty cool to see. You know, if I didn't have that moment in the carousel, yeah, who knows? Maybe I would have finished 5th or something like that. But overall, great result. It's another great race in the rain for me. So, by the way, if you made it this far, please, if you wouldn't mind, give a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. I'm only a few subscribers away from 500. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but to me it means the world. It's great. Just trying to grow the channel. So, hopefully you like the sound and the way the overlays looked and everything. So, anyway, we'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.